sisters. And if you're new to our channel,
I'm Lainey.
I'm Emma.
And today we're making paper buildings. But before we get on with the video, please make sure to subscribe and put a thumbs up. And now let's get on with the video. First thing you want to do to make your paper building is look at it.
And see what shape it is. Mine's
a circle. Emma's is a diamond and yours is a hexagon. Yeah.
I think mine is an oval.
Oh, yeah, I think it's an oval too. Yeah. Okay.
Just cut off the scissors. Like, hey, I like my oval.
Here's my printer paper. Here is our building model thing. And first thing you want to do to make your building is grab your paper and just fold a little side right here like this on the short side of the paper, and then you want to fold it burger style. There we go. So now it's folded like that, and then you want to put this side of the paper into the middle half line thing here. There we go. And then grab your other side and don't unfold this little flap. And do the same. And then you have your paper building. Let me see. You put this little flap thing in here. And you have your paper building, but it looks very plain. So we are going to color it. This is going to be the front of my building because right here at the back is where you glue it together, but that's not until the very end. So this is going to be the front, so I'm going to color it. You can make it any sort of building. You can make it a salon, a store, or I don't know, whatever you want to make it. So we're going to color it until it looks like what we want it to look like. So here are our buildings.
Right now this is my precious, beautiful nail salon.
This is Emma's model thing. And this is mine. I made a Build-A-Bear, and then there's a bunch of pictures of different stuffed animals in their ecosystem thing. What you want to do when you glue your building together is go to the back, and then this little flap right here, you want to close your building like this. So we're going to put some glue on the little flap. Okay, that's good. And now I'm going to stick it onto the inside part of the building. And I'm just gonna put my building like this and stick my hand in there and just kind of press on the flap so that it sticks. And there's my building. It's really tall. It's so cool. And also I didn't color these sides because I like to stick other paper buildings onto the other sides. My sister colored her sides, but you don't have to, it's optional, but it just... So these are buildings. This is Emma's. This is actually the model. She decided to leave this behind and not make a building. Also, if you want to glue your buildings together, if you make multiple, you can just gently put some glue on the sides and just stick them together. And they're not really sturdy, so I mean, it's not very smart to put things inside of your building.
Like this. Abracadabra. Go.
Things like this, and it was really easy to make, and it's super fast, and you only need 3 things: paper, colors, and glue. And before we say goodbye, please make sure to subscribe and put a thumbs up. and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
So we hope you like them, and we